Welcome to today's tutorial from the TwinSAFE department. Today we look again at the TwinSAFE Loader. We want to achieve that the new target system is supported by the TwinSAFE Loader. My name is Martin Früchtel from the Product Management Safety. After some basic information and a description of our demo system, we go over to our short demonstration today, and we conclude the session with an outlook to the next tutorial. For today's tutorial, we are taking TwinSAFE Loader version P7, the current released version, which doesn't support the AX8000 as target system for the TwinSAFE Loader. And the goal for today is to support the AX8000. As prerequisites, we need a TwinCAT 3 version. We need the current release version P7 of the TwinSAFE Loader and our TwinSAFE tutorial 16, where we explain all the configuration for the TwinSAFE Loader. The start of our tutorial today is directly the command line. Our demo system consists of an CX for the EtherCAT communication and the standard PLC. We have an EL6910 as master TwinSAFE logic. We have the EL1918 with a connected light barrier and an AX8000 in the X2XX safe motion version, and our engineering system is connected via Ethernet to our target system. As already mentioned, the required functionality for today is we want a new target system supported by the TwinSAFE Loader. So now we can directly go over to our live demonstration. At the beginning, we fetch the list of the current target systems within our demo system. So by calling the loader and the parameter list, we export the list to the file devices. When we look at the file, we see that the EL1918 and the EL6910 was recognized as target system, and the also included AX8000 is missing. So in order to get the support for the AX8000, we create or change a file custom terminals CSV, and within that CSV file we define the class and the type. The class is always the EL6910 at the moment, and we also include the AX8000 ID. This ID we can take from the IO system configuration within TwinCAT 3. If you click on the AX8000 on the right hand side or left hand side, you see the type information for the AX8000. When we save the file, we fetch again the list of the supported devices. And now, when opening the devices list, we see that besides the EL1918 and the EL6910, also the included AX8000 is listed within the file. That means from now on the AX8000 can be used with the TwinSAFE Loader. That was basically all for today's tutorial. Next week we look again at the TwinSAFE Loader. We show you how you can change the safe address for the AMI and the AMP system. Thank you a lot for your attention. I hope we hear again in the next tutorial.